Hello friends, here's a quick look at the virtual switch, a very interesting possibility in our virtual showroom. The virtual switch enables the visitors to click a button and see a different state or a different color of a product, or even completely switch the environment of the showroom. I will quickly show you 4 examples. The first is in the architecture industry. Here you can see the user can select different shades of wall tiles and the selected shade instantly appears on the fireplace wall. Here's the second application in the engineering industry. You can see this water tank is placed on the floor for the purpose of display. Now by clicking on the virtual switch, the visitor can actually see how this tank will look like after it has been submerged or installed under the ground. The third example is the use of the virtual switch to show different colors of a product. By clicking on the preset color buckets, the user can see the displayed machine in different colors. Now last is the example of the entire environment changing from a day view to a night view at the click of a button. So these were a few examples to demonstrate the possibilities with the virtual switch. As this feature is also 100% customizable, the switch can be used as per your requirement. Do watch our other videos for more information and examples, or visit our website virtuallab.online to experience some live examples. Thank you.